Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ken Ekman. I am a family man, chef, nutritionist, and co-founder of local Clean Eats. In the next 2 minutes, I am going to share with you an opportunity to create a lasting memory for yourself and your family. Please join me and Clean Eats SCV on our trip to Underwood Family Farm on April 16th, 2016 at 9:30 a.m. Underwood Family Farm is located in Moore Park, California, right up to 126 if you're coming from Santa Clarita. This is such a great event for us, so let me break down what it includes. A 30-minute agricultural presentation by an Underwood farmer, a private wagon ride around the entire Underwood Family Farm, animal park access, which is really cool even for mom and dad. But let me get back on track. Be prepared to get a little dirty. Everyone will get the opportunity to pick a pound of strawberries and a pound of assorted vegetables to take home. It doesn't get cleaner than that. One more thing. Lunch will be catered by local Clean Eats and served from 12 to 1. I hope to see you and your fam bam there. If you like this video or know someone that would like this event, please like it and share it. Follow the link to get your tickets now. First come, first serve.